everybody, this is DJ Rexio. So, I will show you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like any more content that I do, nothing bad in here, we don't curse or anything, go hit that subscribe button and like all the videos. And if you comment hi or anything nice, I love reply hi or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you my fidget spinner. Well, that's right there. Well, this is one of my first ever ones. I got it at Boardwalk. It was like right after I learned about it. It's like my second one, I'm pretty sure. My first one broke, and I don't know where it is anymore. I'm pretty sure I left it at Cole's house. Their house, my camera. And then this one is the latest one I got.
What are you gonna do?
Sorry, yeah, go ahead. It's right here. It's like a dragon kinda. It's an Illuminati eye basically. So that's why. And it's gonna be a little bit of part 2 of the Royal Rumble match that will come out soon. I made it, but I couldn't find it anymore. My camera is really full back. I could not find it. I just searched for it, and it's Honey Danger, and that's gyno noise to me. It's the only thing I can hear right now. So, if you cannot hear me, that is the TV, because there's nothing else here. So yeah, you can subscribe to me, and Sally's crew has got a channel. The whole crew has got a channel. Me, Cole, and Sally's crew. And then the squad, people that doesn't have a channel, just go my friends and they'll be in a lot of my videos. And Sally's crew's channel is Declan K. And then you know, Cole's channel is now the camera. The crew. And then you know, watching me, DJ Rex. Subscribe to all of us. So, hope you have a good day. And hope you have a good Tuesday. The only thing bad that happened so far was school. School. I hate school. No one likes school. I don't think many kids like school. So, yeah. See ya!